Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Miss Brooklyn's Beauty-Corner. In this video, we're going pink. I'm going to show you how I got this beautiful pink unicorn mermaid hair. So let's just jump right into this video.
Together we can fly away, baby. Forget about this hard life. Let's get away.
For this tutorial, I will be using hair from Supernova hair, and I have 613 body wave hair right here. I forgot the origin, but I'm definitely going to leave all the information down below in the description box for you guys. The hair was beautifully blonde, like I mean beautiful. Nice undertone and everything. The frontal looked really nice and promising. I was trying to show you guys, I don't think you can see, but it's really thick, coarse hair, and I love it. I love how thick and coarse the hair was. Very soft. There were some frays and some shedding, but nothing that I can't get past. But as far as the bundles go, the bundles are very thick in girth, very nicely constructed and wefted, and very thick hair. When I say this hair is thick and full, I love it. My 4 bundles felt like it was more like 6 bundles, but yeah, I love it. Like I said, all the details and information is going to be down below in the description box. I actually think you guys should try this hair if you guys are looking for some platinum blonde hair to do coloring jobs. It came out bomb. Okay, my hair job came out bomb. But yeah, let's just get into the coloring work. All right, to color the hair, I am using this I forgot the exact brand name. I'm going to use it down below, but I'm using 2 different types from them. I'm using their Sparks line and their Silk line. I also have some Adore hair dye, Fruit Punch, and Cotton Candy. I'm going to be using Rose Gold from the Sparks line, and from the Pravana Vivid Pastel line, I'm going to be using Too Cute Coral, and this one is Pretty Petal or Pink Petal, but you can't really see the name. So I'm mixing on the screen. I have the mixtures that I'm using on the screen. I'm using half and half of Rose Gold and half of the I believe that is the Pink Coral, Too Cute Coral, and I'm mixing half and half together. When I do my hair, I do it a little bit at a time because I first want to sample what I'm doing. I never have a direction of where I'm going with my hair coloring. But this is going to be the root of the bottom of the hair. It's just going to be the base. And you're going to see me. I'm going to get very close to the wefts. And this is blonde hair. And you definitely want to make sure you get every single strand, because you can get blind spots and blonde hair throughout it, which you do not want. So just make sure you thorough. I sectioned the hair off in 4 sections. And I did this coloring job section by section. It took a very long time to actually color this hair. It took me 6 hours to just deposit the color, and to leave the color on it, I left it on for another 6 hours. I did not cover the hair. I left it unwrapped on the mannequin head and let all the hair soak up the color. It dried, and then I rinsed it out. And when I rinsed it out, there was no bleeding. Like the hair soaked up all the color. I really feel like this line, the Pravana line, is a very good coloring line. However, it's expensive because you need a lot of it. If you want to stretch it, you can add white conditioner to stretch it, which I did do that because I was running out of color. So with this, you don't need any volume developer, anything like that. Okay, so you just deposit it onto the hair, put it in a mixing bowl, use your brush, deposit it on the hair. But if you want to stretch it some more, I suggest spraying it a little damp, and spraying the hair just a little damp and using a little conditioner to stretch it. I'm going in with Cotton Candy right now, and I'm gonna start blending Cotton Candy down because I'm done with the roots. So Cotton Candy on the bottom of the hair is going to be the center of my hair color, and then I'm gonna blend Fruit Punch down towards the ends. I love this combination. I love how it blended together. I just love it. There's no exact measurements because, like I said, I didn't know where I was going with this, and I was eyeballing everything. But I want you guys to see how gorgeous my blend is. Like, what? When I tell you that blend is gorgeous, always, you know, do your vertical strokes, blend the 2 colors so you do not see a harsh demarcation from one color to the next. And yeah, that's what I did for this section of the hair. Here you see me opening the hair just to make sure that I'm getting every single strand, because like I said, blonde is a bitch to work with. Pardon my français, but you make sure that you get every single strand. So this is what the bottom of my hair looks like. and you can see that gorgeous blend. Like, oh girl, like don't. The blend is gorgeous. I love it. All right, I'm gonna go in with the next color. I'm gonna go in with Petal Pink. I believe it was Petal Pink and Too Cute Coral. And I'm gonna mix the two together like so, and I'm adding some Fruit Punch to the bowl because I want to boost up the color. This is going to be the roots for the next section of my hair, which you can see it's a lot more pastel-y, baby pinky, which is what I was going for, because the bottom section is a lot deeper with the rose gold, but this section is a lot more pastel-y, baby pinky, like more like a soft powdery pink. I don't know if that makes any sense, but this is the color I got from mixing those three colors together. And I'm only doing the roots with this color because I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to take Too Cute Coral and I'm going to mix it with the Fruit Punch color by Adore, and I'm going to do the entire center of the hair that color. It's my favorite part of the hair. Like, I want to do another wig with just that color alone. On the bottom of this, I'm just going to do the Fruit Punch mixed with the Cotton Candy. That's going to be the colors I'm using on the end. Fruit Punch mixed with Cotton Candy. Alright, I'm taking Fruit Punch and I'm mixing it with the Petal Pink color. And I'm going to do the mix that I just did, but I'm almost like reversing it. I want to play around with more dimension and more color and more tones. So I'm just going to reverse it. I'm going to put some in the center, some on the bottom. And just, you know, just playing with more dimension in the hair. Just different shades of pink. So for the root of the hair, I'm just using the rose gold color. I did add a little bit of conditioner to it to lighten it some more because I realized I don't like the rose gold color on its own. And I wanted my roots to be dark but also pastel-y. So mixing it with a very white base conditioner. The conditioner cannot have color in it. It has to be white because if it's like a blue or purple or different color conditioner, it's going to ruin the color. It has to be white. So I used a 50-50 ratio. I used half conditioner and half of the rose gold hair color, and I made this color right here, which is like a really beautiful like pastel pink, but undertone is rose gold. So this is going to be the root of the frontal. It's what I'm using to make the base of the frontal. And as you can see, I'm taking my brush and I'm stroking downwards. The more I stroke downwards, the more I give a light wash of color to the rest of the hair that's not the roots. And that's what I'm doing, because I'm going to take the color down and create a very, very light, like it almost will still kind of look blonde, but when you look at it closely, it's pink. I'm going to create a very light wash of pink color on the frontal hair. I just wanted it to blend seamlessly. I'm also going to take the cotton candy color from the Adore line, and I'm going to mix it with conditioner. Now for that part, I used more conditioner than the actual color itself. I put probably like 4 or 5 drops of the color in and used maybe like a whole bowl of conditioner to make a very light pastel powdery pink color for the root of the hair. So after I conditioned the hair for 8 hours, I washed it, let it air dry. This is what I have. On camera it's showing very pungent and vibrant, but I assure you it's so gorgeous. I'm going to show you what the top of the color really looks like. I'm just going to hydrate the hair and put some heat protectant in the hair, and I'm going to put some curls in the hair. So before I curl the hair, I'm going to just flat iron it because I want to get all the kinks out and everything. And like I said, this hair is very, very coarse, which I love. Look how gorgeous this color is. It's just so damn beautiful. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. I'm going to use a 1.5 inch barrel, and I'm going to wrap the hair around the barrel like so to create a curl. And I'm going to hold it there for 15 seconds. After the 15-second point, I'm going to release it, and I'm going to take a duck clip, and I'm going to hold the curl in place, and I'm going to spray it with some holding spray, and I'm going to let it cool off like that. I'm going to just leave it like that for about 45 minutes. I'm going to do this throughout the whole entire hair just so that my curls can hold better and last better. I'm not going to bring it all the way to the top because I want it loose curls, but this is the finished product. This is how I did my curls, and I'm just going to take a big wig brush or a wig comb, a wide tooth comb, and I'm just gonna rake through it because I don't want these tight curls. But yeah, this is my hair blend right here. I really love it. Like, I'm just giving you guys close-ups of it. Like, I freaking love this hair so much. This is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And yeah, follow me on my social media networks. I'm also taking requests, what hair color you want to see down below. Also, what hair videos you want to see. Let me know down below. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.
Tonight I wanna lay you down. Girl, I hope that you ready. I don't wanna lie, mami. Togo nigga long time, no mami. Together we can fly away, baby. Together we can fly away. Together we can fly.